Yeah, man. Welcome to my channel. How y'all doing? Hope y'all doing good. Hope everybody's having a good day. I know it's been a minute since I posted, but I'm back with it. And if you're new, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe these videos because I'm back with some new. You heard me? It's been a minute and I'm back with that new. So we gonna get with it. Like So everybody been asking about the hatch. What if I still got the hatch? What am I doing to the hatch? What's going on? The hatch is just sitting in my garage. But I got a surprise for everybody that's been waiting. Let me show you right now. It is awaiting shipment. So I'll be doing a swap. Y'all saw the update, the engine. I sold a single cam, sold my boosted setup, all that. So now I'm doing a swap. So y'all just stay tuned. And I'm so excited, man. I've been wanting to do a swap. I wanted to do a 8 swap, but you know, y'all already know 8 series, they're so hard to find the parts and it's expensive. I want to go with something that most people got, so I can get parts I can't even talk, easily accessible and all that. So I'm doing a B20B swap, and I ain't gonna say too much. Yeah man, so right now we're in business. Just picked up the trans. Got this trans for like $100 from my buddy. I might have to buy a new throw-up bearing and shit. I can clean this fork up though. I ain't worried about this. But just got the trans. I'm gonna have to clean this up. I'm gonna buy a new speed sensor. The third gear doesn't work though. But I ain't worried about that. I'm gonna buy the rebuild kit. We're gonna get this thing rebuilt. I'm gonna clean it up. Yeah, so I'm showing it to you right now. This is how it looks. But I'm gonna clean it up. And then supposed to pick my engine up soon. I'm just waiting on a call to go grab the engine. So excited, man. I can't wait. Yeah, let's go. I can't wait. Let me show you the car. Show you what's going on. Let me show you what's going on. Bow! Nada. Engine gone. The turbo setup is gone, man. It's gone. So now we about to get cracking. Now we about to get with it. You know what I mean? I think I'm gonna change that bumper too. But the car's still here. Still here. Still in a good shape. Still in good shape. Look at the interior. Interior, look. Got it put back together. So I've been working, man. Got it put together. Clean. Got these new lights. Same buddy that sold me the transmission for $100. I got these. Like, he pretty much just gave me these. So yeah, that's what's up. Still got some parts in here I'm trying to get rid of. I'm gonna keep that though. I'm gonna keep my cold air intake. It's for D16, so I might just sell this on eBay or something. Yep. So this what's going on, man. So excited, I can't wait. I can't wait for the swap, man. Hopefully I get this running in hopefully I get it running in like 2 weeks. That's my goal. My goal is to get it running before the summer so we can do some polls and races and all that. So, but yeah, man, that's a small update on what's going on, where I'm at with it, where I'm trying to go with it. You know what I mean? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, man. Hit that bell, man, because I'm back. And I ain't just saying that. I'm back. Like, I am back. I am back.
Special moment.
Yeah, pa, my day, man. My day again with it, brother. Time now. You feel? Yep, so I just got a phone call that my engine is ready. Yes, sir. Let's go. So I'm on my way to go pick that engine up. And I'm so excited, man. I can't believe. I mean, this may be simple to some people, but it's like a dream come through for me, man. So I'll meet y'all there. Stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Alrighty. Gonna throw this in the truck and I'll hit y'all back later. All I'm doing is just unwrapping right now. High compression, you hear me? This transmission properly cleaned up. This is how it is right now. It was looking worse than this, but this is how it is right now. Y'all gonna see the end result. Fire. Alrighty, there you go. So here's the end result of the transmission. It's not fully cleaned up to how I want it yet, but at least that looks way better right here, bro. And believe it or not, I use Pepsi. I use Pepsi. Throw it on there. It's like the Scotch-Brite, and just clean it up. Yep. I was also doing, well, I got a few parts here. These parts, I will explain what's going on in the next video, so stay tuned. Stay tuned for the next video, because I'm going to explain all the parts you need. Because I've seen a lot of videos about this, but it's like years ago. So I'm going to do a video titled how much it takes to do a B swap in 2024. So y'all stay tuned for that. Anybody who's trying to do a B swap. So with this bay, I'm gonna paint the bay, not right now. I just want to get everything running, and then I'll just rip the motor out again and get the bay painted and all that. I was doing some cleanup of these wires because I'm gonna use the same wiring, OBD2. So I'm gonna use the same wiring for this swap because it's an OBD2 engine. I was doing, what did I do? I was just changing some of these connectors. I need to get some heat shrink for this, and just because all these are soldered on, so I'm gonna just get some heat shrink and cover these up. That's the next goal. Yeah, so all these parts are going to be explained in the other video, along with the engine being in. So that's the video you're gonna see next. I still got a few parts I need. Y'all stay tuned to see what other parts you need to do the complete swap. Still waiting on some parts. Definitely waiting on the clutch kit. I ain't got the clutch kit as yet. That's supposed to be here tomorrow. So yeah, that's it, man. So this is the first video back. Stay with me and stay tuned for the next. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because I'm telling you, this summer I'm coming. We got races coming, all that. I know I probably said this in the past, but this time is different. I got some things lined up. My buddy got like 4 or 5 Hondas that I'm gonna do some review on and all of that. Take a ride along, all of that in it. So y'all stay tuned, man. The channel's gonna go up, man. Y'all stay with me. And this, I guess I can say this is the end of the first video. But we out. Stay blessed.